CPI was chopped as usual. So let me show you guys actually how exactly I caught this entry point. So I was trading US30. Look at the chart. You check out this chart. It's quite simple. So technically, I'd analyzed that. I could see the market was overall anyway buying, right? And if you look closely, right here on this low, so right here on this low was where my technical buys were in, because I'd been buying the chart from this low, right? Then I looked at the forecast with news, and I saw that actually the forecast tells me that CPI will be a buy. So confidently I knew that I don't have to close my positions. I can actually hold till CPI comes out, because the market will definitely give me a buy trade. And that's exactly what happened. That's how I flipped the 10,000 rand to 70k. Held the trade, the news came out, shot all the way up. You can see where it shot to. So right now the chart is coming back down, and I'm trying to ride it all the way back down to where the price actually shifted from. That's how we chopped it. It was quite an easy CPI, very easy. It wasn't really complicated, straightforward, easily profitable. I think a lot of people also made money. So in the channel as well. So yeah, that's how we do it, guys. The biggest Africa, of course. I'll see you guys already know that.